Looking at optimizing the sheet requirement for a bill item. When building up materials cost for a bill item, an experienced estimator may well be able to just judge the number of sheets required for an item. However, the more complex the item or the inexperience of the estimator can lead to inaccurate quantity estimated for. The only way to accurately calculate this is to take each part required and add a percentage for wastage. However, this could again still lead to inaccuracies due to wastage or the way that a sheet would be cut to get the required parts. But at this stage, we're only concerned with getting an estimated cost of materials and not concerned with spending too much time creating a cutting list. We might not even win the contract. So using Contractcontroller, we can quickly enter each part required along with the approximate size required, and then get the system to calculate the total meter squared of all the parts for one type of material and work out the number of sheets required. We'll look at true optimization in a later video. So if we look at this bill item, which is a reception counter constructed from 80mm MDF with a Formica laminate finish to all external surfaces. We can enter in all the various panels that we want with the approximate size, quantity, and wastage. So if I get the system to calculate the total meter squared for the 80mm MDF, and we exclude the waste, you can see that it's calculated at 4.805 square meters, which is 1.610 sheets. If I do the same again, but include the waste, with my 15% wastage, I've increased it to 5.526 square meters, which is 1.86 sheets. Now the system is suggesting we round that up to 2 sheets, but because the 80mm MDF is our stock material and the offcuts may well be used on a different job or another item on this contract, I'm not going to worry about increasing my wastage for that. Where this is useful is to calculate how much Formica laminate I need to cover all of those surfaces, because I'm only going to buy the sheets required for this item and the wastage, the offcuts won't be used on anything else. I need to work out how many sheets I need. So the system's telling me I need 2 sheets, so I could just put in 2 sheets for that. Now, if I change these materials, say, to a board that's going to be bought specifically for this unit, so I'll change the MDF to a veneered board. So we now have MDF veneered American oak. And if I do the same calculation, so if I calculate excluding my waste, I've got 1.6 sheets with a suggested 15% wastage. The system's telling me I need 1.8 sheets. So really, I do need to be rounding this up to 2 sheets. So if we calculate, if we exclude the waste, we don't have enough. I can then tell the system to reapply the wastage. So it will then increase the wastage to 24.2%. So if I get the system to calculate, obviously again, exclude the waste, we still have 1.6 sheets. But if I do the calculation that include the waste, it's now rounded up to 2 sheets. So I know that I'm going to have enough material costed to carry this work out. And that is the basic optimization of Contractcontroller. We'll have a look at the more in-depth optimization applications in a later video.